Kasengsan Perthai jangka All India Trinamool Congress AITC Mekharia mentagsi thodi yang kan jutre kalapin banada kapasai ya kathup kerteng jangka les baningkong kisan pu almut ki kyrtong ki banyakhon ya ka election aja apulai hapwa ke jila Mekharia. Kita kisan pu almut ki kyrtong ka AITC kenthobi ki amalia bamenta khasan ngut lambat khasan ngut ki MDC basan ngut ki kenthai ki banyakhon na ka AITC. Habai Crench kila pathai kubor Vice President ke AITC Mekharia ba Charles Pingrop ulapin bana ba yakini kisan pu almut ki kerteng jong ki kertong la itu balai menjeru daka parti banyakhon hakani ka election banwan.
Officially declaring the names of the candidates of first list of 52 constituencies out of the 60 which we have identified probable candidates in the presence and in our discussions with the Honorable Leader of the Opposition, who is also the Parliamentary Party Leader, and with our Vice Presidents, George Lingdor, and also James Lingdor. We have come to the conclusion, and this is the first list of 52 probable candidates which we have identified for the coming elections 2023 from the All India Trinamool Congress. Now I will read out the list of the names. This will be constituency wise. I start with 2 July, Mr. A. Andrew Shulai, who is the MDC. From 4 Bukayao, Mr. Lasting Suchiang. From 6 Kleria, Mr. Sunita Bare. From 7 Amlarem, Mr. Alban K. Gashna. From 8 Mauhati, Dr. Saralin Dorphang, Mrs. From 10 Jirang, Sri Sanmun D. Marat. From 11 Umsning, Sri Gilbert Nangru. From 12 Imroy, Sri George B. Lingdo. From 13 Morakaneng, Sri Banshan Lang Lawai. From 14 Pithormukra, Sri Sambor Lang Dingdo. From 17 North Shillong, Ms. Eljiva Gwyneth Rinja. From 18 West Shillong, Sri Ivan Maria. From South Shillong, 19 South Shillong, Ian A. Lingdo Nongkuri. From 20 Milnem, Sri Gilbert Guiding Star Lalu. From 21 Nongpamai, Sri Charles Pingrop. From 22 Nongkrem, Sri Jonas Jefferson Tyler Lamprang Lamarik. 23 Soyom, Stoning Star Thaba. From 24 Mauplang, Sri Maukordor Rinja. From 25 Mausenram, Sri Vincent T. Sangma. From 26 Shala, Sri Plenus Hyotam. From 27 Prunosla, Sri Edmund Kongai. From 28 Sora, Sri Harold Firmin Kongsit. From 29 Mokul Road, Sri Dondor Marbanyang. From 32 Nongstoin, Sri Macmillan Kharbani. From 33 Ramrai Jirgam, Sri Fernandez S. Dakhat. From 34 Motion Road, Justin G. Momin. From 35 Ranikor, Sri Savio Prangsni Dakhat. From 36 Mogurat, Sri Sounder S. Kaji. From 37 Kharkuta, Sri Cherak Watre Momin. From 38 Mendipathar, Sri Parinan D. Shira. From 39 Resubel Para, Sri Ronaldo K. Sangma. From 40 Bajengdoba, Sri Tengrak R. Marak. From 41 Samsak, Dr. Mugul M. Sangma. From 42 Rongjeng, Sri Sengnam M. Marak. From 43 William Nagar, Sri Alphonsus R. Marak. From 44 Raksamgre, Dr. Prabir D. Sangma. From 45 Tikrikala, Dr. Mugul M. Sangma. From 46 Fulbari, Sri S. G. Esmatul Mominin. From 47 Rajabala, Dr. Muhammad Mizanur Rahman Kazi. From 48 Salsala, Agassi R. Marak. From 49 Dadingri, Rupa M. Marak. From 50 North Tura, Sri Rupert M. Sangma. From 51 South Tura, Sri Richard Murong Marak. From 52 Rangsakona, Sri Zaid M. Sangma. From 53 Ambati, Srimati Miani Dalbot Shira. From 54 Mahendraganj, Srimati Dikanji Dalbot Shira. From 55 Salman Para, Sri Vincent D. Sangma. From 56 Gambegri, Srimati Sadhyarani M. Sangma. From 57 Dalu, Sri Senkal A. Sangma. From 58 Rongra Siju, Dr. Rajesh M. Marak. From 59 Chokpot, Sri Lazarus M. Sangma. And from 60 Bagmara, Dr. Saljan Ringrang R. Marak.
List of official nominee of 52 candidates for 52 constituencies. I think it is the largest so far, and at one go. And we have the highest number of women representatives, aspiring representatives here, 5 out of 52. That's a good sign, and we would always invite friends to encourage women to join politics and be part of this vibrant democracy. And Meghalaya have demonstrated its capability of dealing with this kind of situation. I have seen the similar kind of attempt, blatant display of both money and muscle power in the past, particularly in the last Garo's Autonomous District Council. But what was the outcome? The outcome was that the people who tried to exploit the innocence and simplicity of our people were meant to realize that people are not so good, and they were defeated. So therefore, the similar reputation will be demonstrated by the people who are concerned for the larger interest and larger good of the state. We hear it from the ground zero. We have moved across the length and breadth of the state. We are hearing it from every citizen who are concerned for the future, particularly the generation next. And therefore, I'm sure our people will demonstrate the wisdom that is inherently with our people. And for every common man, every concerned citizens, religion is a personal choice. And this great nation has been able to create that whole avenue of perception that this is a nation where we respect personal choice, we respect personal liberty, and we don't only respect, we protect, we preserve and protect the personal liberty. And that is the part and parcel, the integral part of the constitution of the country. Therefore, it's incumbent upon us to ensure that we protect, under any circumstances, the personal liberty and the inclusive character of this great nation for the sustainability of the democracy that we so cherish.